Look at that. Grabe oh. Yan na, tingnan nyo yung kinakain nila. Sa kaning plants ni, sagbot.
Murag gumamela ta.
Murag gumamela. Oo, murag gumamela. You know. Alright. We are here at Safari. Safari Cebu.
Very sad ma. Kuya, eyes here, smile, and wacky pose, wacky. And tiger pose, kuya, like this. Last one. Okay. Kanina po. Kanina ma. Eyes here, smile. Wacky pose. Tiger pose. Last one.
Pwede kami ito na.
Safari. Ano, ang daming turista dito. Duro. Doy, kupugi haon doy oh. Okay. Wait. Asa mo na? Dede. Yan. Right. Entrance. Bayad ta, bayad. Sa may kasultan ni mo, madam?
Wanto lang man. Siyempre, mahal kayo.
Yung mga sa may kasultan, shout out.
Okay.
Shout out.
Shout out ko ni Medyo Nawa nakauban sa buhol.
Alright.
Uban na nakita na.
Ikaw, madam?
Shout out ko sa akong bana.
Sa bana nga lang. Ticket 1,200. Ayan mo na yung mga attractions and adventures. Sila yung mga package. Ayan o. Right. So may naan eh. Aggo.
There's a capybara. What?
Smile sa. Basta. Alright. Ay, tulog ko. Okay. Alright, ito yung ano map. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park map. Ayan, may na silang adventurize. Ayan, ito yung mapa. Alright. Asam ni sugod. Ayan. Ayan na, may QR code tayo bago makapasok. QR code. Thank you. Mira, hello na. Next up, base camp. All right. Base camp. Ano yun? Nindot kayo nga mong sakyanan. Driver, pugi kay driver, di ba? Sa aero, mga guwapo. Nanay, nagtingog bird. Prince! Aja, Prince! Right. Yeah, manipap ko. Abi ng bird. Tao mo dito. Yeah. Upalhin mo eh. Yan na, base camp to, base camp. Base camp. Alright. You know. Hello ma'am, morning ma'am. Kung saan nasa base camp ma'am?
Everydome, sir.
Everydome. Ayan, Everydome. Dire? Oh my God! Ayan na, Aviary. Aviary Camp. Pasok tayo dito sa kampo. Wow. Yun ah. Tingnan natin dito kung anong laman dito. Mga peacocks. Ay, peacocks.
May patong sa inayahan. Bukat na ito. Wala yung bird. Bye, mami.
Wow. Parot na, parot. Saan eh? Ha? Kuhan kayo ba? Ora, ito na. Right, closer look. You know, grabe.
Prince, come here.
Hello, bird. Hello, bird. Ang ganda. Parot daw ito. Parot. Look at that. Hi, parot. Hala. Ayun oh, mag-shoota sila. Ayun oh, mag-shoota. Look at that. Oh, tingnan yung bird kung paano sila magmahalan. Right. China oil.
Kumusta sila dali?
Wow. Wow.
Birthday ma, 50 pesos ma.
Ubus na kagad ah.
Oh, gali no.
You know.
Yan na, ubos na.
Ubus na kagad.
Saan ko kaya?
Ubus na, dalawang ano lang.
Yung ginahawa na dira.
Ayun oh.
Mangkop. Yeah. Oh my god.
Tingnan mo, yun. Sana all. Bantay ha. Victoria Crown Pigeon. Ito pala yung Victoria Crown Pigeon. Right, ito ah. Hi. Victoria Crown Pigeon. Look at that. Victoria Crown Pigeon. Oy, kangaroo, akala ko sa Australia lang kita makita. Dito lang ka pala sa sa ayan o, di kayo maklaro ang kangaroo, pero tara, katuwad-tuwad oh. Tara, hayang kangaroo. Ayan, saan na yan, kangaroo.
Eh, naman dahil nasa ubo.
Oh, ayan o. Kangaroo.
Hindi ka kaklaro na friend.
Kangaroo.
Nasa babaw.
Kangaroo.
Laro mo.
Na dire klaro dire oh.
Ay, Dara, maklaro din.
Klaro dire oh. Terus. Alright, we're going to White Lion. White Lion. Kita. Orangutan. Iya naman ito na to. Dara. Yung sirap. Swan mana mga ano lihok ba? Luy, palihok. Right. Giraffe is real. Right. Giraffe is real. Ayun pala, ayan pala. Alright. Bukat-kat pa yun ay tanin. My goodness. Ay, magira na ita dito. Oh, bingahon do. Kat-kat pa more. Oh my God, white lion is here. Ayan. Ha? Ha? Ako yung naog. Alright. White lion, oh. Ayan. White lion. Whew. Ayan.
어메이징은 원래 없는 거.
Ano sila? Ang sakit dito sa mami. Tignan na. Tuyok. Ano, daghan kayo. Daghan kayo lagan. Una mo na i-leader lagan. Oh, right. Briefing. Lingkod. Upo muna, upo. Dito. Sunod. Oh, nom. Alright. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, tama. Sakto ra. Pero tayo sakto ha, di ba? Thank you. White lion, where are you?
Sakay na sa kulungan pero di sa mapakan.
Si. Just lang, asa mo basurahan dire? Sure, pwede. Pwede basurahan. Nabilin ang tubig.
Six person in a row. If na ay kids, ipasabak kami natin.
Sige.
원래 있었다가
Bili ng tubig.
Asa dito dito?
Sorry, all good na mama, sir. Okay, so good morning everyone.
Good morning po.
So good morning everyone. Welcome to the Wild Lion Safari. So I am Kat and I am your guide for this quick ride. For everyone's safety and comfort, please avoid standing while in traffic permanently. Please blood photography while taking pictures and video and lastly, do not stick your finger outside the net, just hold on to the ground first.
Okay, thank you.
So inside we have 3 wild lions that were bred and born in France, but captivity is France, but originated in South Africa. They are 8 years old, they are all males, and they are siblings. And also, they have pictures, 1.2 hectares area, so that they can freely roam around and exercise their natural behavior.
Okay, wow. Turang white lion. Turang ketua-tua. Right, Bactrian camel. You know? Bactrian camel.
그때가 12월 1월? 진짜 좋겠네.
You know?
몽골은
Tatlo.
줄 알고 힘들하고.
Ano?
Impala. So Impala is the beautiful jumper sa savannah. Because the Pacific is high and covered in lots of broad acres. Kamil Impala sa bare horns of females community. Galan, Impala.
Giraffe. Giraffe. Impala ito. Right. Tara, daghan kayo.
Savannah zebra.
Yeah, the zebra.
This striped serve as their identification from another
Oh.
We also have here the Wilson.
Wow.
With a long black mane and a true Lebanese mother. Are you familiar with the movie The Lion King? They are the ones who accident and killed King Mufasa during the stampede. We also have here the bleach back because it's a papaya used white marks in the faces. Name also the destination of glacier
zebra, viva zebra. Right. Woo! Kantala.
We have here the Thompson Gazelle, the incredible fast runner. They can reach speed about 80 kilometers per hour. These representatives have them play with predators like lions and tigers. They are only the adults and but it's just like a Thompson Gazelle.
Tamzon. Kanay. Mas
And
bigas.
the last one is the James Bach or Oryx Gazelle, or also called the King of Kalahari Desert. They are known for their impressive horn, about 85 centimeter long. Male have thicker horns, while female have slightly slimmer one. And they are that is the national animals of Qatar Airways. So again, James Bach or Oryx Gazelle.
Qatar Airways na sila. Ayan na, turtles. Ayan na, crocs. Crocs. Pa, kasalo. Ayan. Grabe, crocodile. Alright! Ito na yung hinahanap ko. Woo! Giraffe, 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 giraffe. Look at that. Tingnan nyo. Oh, kitang kita ulang daya. Ang tawag dito? Rothschild giraffe. Ayan. Scientific name, Serapha camelopardalis rothschildi. Distribution, Uganda, Kenya. Wow. Look at that. Grabe. Oy, lapit kayo. Lapit ng lapit. Layo man. Go! Come here. We have food here. Ayun na, hindi doon na. Oh my God. Gahulat og food. Hihi. Kitang kita, walang daya. Ang ganda. Pagkanindot. Ala, padul na. Padul na. Ang ganda oh. Pagkanindot. Grabe, liog pa more. Grabe. Mo din na giraffe di ay. Ipasaka pa.
Okay, taas mo yung ulo.
Pwede mabaling ulo. You know. Grabe. Hala. Nice. Nindot kaya. Sa may kasulti, madam. Sulit ang 1,200. Okay kayo, di ba? You know? Alright. Close encounter with the giraffe. Woo! Dito lang sa safari si Bumabay. Yeah, look at that. Look. Yun, hi. Kumain sila, kumain. Grabe, ang taas ng liog. Come here. Yeah. Ayan. Look at that. Tingin, tingin. Tingin sa camera. Tingin sa camera. Hihi. Look at that. Grabe oh. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung kinakain nila. Sa kaning plants na saggo. Mura gumamela. Oo, mura gumamela. You know. Antayin na ka. Alright. You know. Woo. Giraffe. Alright, thank you. Only here in Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. You know, ito yung highlights ng kanilang ano, yung zoo park. Goni. Oh my God. So big. Wap, pap, 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 pap. You know. Woo. Grabe. Ang haba ng liig. Oh! Right. Come on, come on. Come on, friends. Yan. Yan na. Yan. Wow.